remember that time when we used to stretch 1 GB of internet for an entire month? Watching even a single video or downloading just a 2-minute song felt like a big deal. We would wait till midnight because that's when the data would refresh. Play YouTube videos at 144p just to save the data, and if autoplay accidentally turned on, it would feel like a disaster. Back then, the internet was more of a luxury than a necessity for most of us. And then one day, everything changed. The internet suddenly became affordable. Smartphones reached every hand, and connectivity started spreading across every corner of the country. At the center of this digital revolution was one name, Jio. But this is not just a story of Jio. This is the story of a vision that Mukesh Ambani saw. A vision that has now reached the stage of a massive IPO moment. Chapter 1. 2016 launch. In 2016, Mukesh Ambani completely changed the telecom industry. Jio launched with free voice calls and ultra cheap data. And at first, people could hardly believe it was real. But slowly, the entire country began shifting towards Jio. Companies that had dominated the market for years were forced to change their pricing, and competition became so intense that the entire telecom landscape transformed. Today, Jio has over 500 million users and has become India's largest telecom operator. Chapter 2. From telecom to digital ecosystem. Mukesh Ambani's vision was never limited to telecom. He transformed Jio into a complete digital ecosystem where platforms like Jio TV, Jio Cinema and Jio Saavn began offering users a connected experience. These were not just entertainment apps. They were part of a larger strategy to keep users within the Jio ecosystem. Even today, around 90% of Jio's revenues comes from telecom, but the company is aggressively moving towards AI, cloud services and enterprises technology. Jio has evolved from being just a telecom company into a powerful technology platform. Chapter 3. Global investors and massive valuation. As the world saw Jio's scale and growth, global giants started showing interest. Companies like Meta, Google and KKR invested billions of dollars into Jio, taking total investments of over $20 billion. This was not just funding, it was global trust in Mukesh Ambani's vision. Today, analysts estimate Jio's valuation at around $180 billion, proving that it is not just an Indian success story, but a major global digital player. Chapter 4. The Mega IPO Moment. Now Jio is preparing for its next big step. Reliance Jio is planning a massive IPO that is expected to raise around $4 billion. Mukesh Ambani aims to unlock Jio's values and take the company into its next phase of growth. This IPO is not just about raising capital. It is the signal that Jio is entering a new era of compassion and scale. Chapter 5. Mukesh Ambani to Anant Ambani. Jio's story is not limited to Mukesh Ambani alone. The next generation is now actively stepping in. Anant Ambani is gradually taking on leadership roles, focusing on sustainability, innovation and future-ready businesses. Mukesh Ambani brought the internet to India, but Anant Ambani is working towards making the internet smarter and globally competitive. This is not just a leadership transition, it is an evolution of vision that could define Jio's future. Chapter 6. Why Jio matters today. Today, Jio is not just a telecom brand, it has become the backbone of our daily lives. Whether it's online classes, UPI payments, OTT streaming or social media, almost everything is connected in some way to Jio's network. Jio handles nearly 60% of India's data traffic, showing how deeply the country's digital behavior depends on it. Jio did not just make the internet affordable, it created opportunities, enabled businesses and built an entirely new digital economy. Conclusion. Jio's journey started with free SIM cards, but today it has grown into a multi-billion-dollar digital empire. Mukesh Ambani took a bold bet, and that bet redefined the internet in India. Now with Anant Ambani stepping in, this story is ready to move to the next level. This IPO is not just a financial milestone, it is a signal that India's digital future is now ready to stand strong on the global stage. And the most interesting part is, Jio's story is far from over. In fact, the real game has only just begun.